Hi, Mr. Ringtail Cat. My name is Ronan. I have a report that I'm working on, and I would like to ask you some questions. By the way, I'm sorry that I woke you up so early. Can you tell me something about yourself? As you can see, I am tired right now. That is because I am a nocturnal animal, which means I am up at night. I am normally alone. I am called a solitary animal. The only time I'm with others is during mating season. Ringtail cats like me can hope to live up to 7 years. In captivity, we can live even longer. Wow, that is so interesting. Can you tell me about what you eat? I'm an omnivore. I eat plants and animals. Some things I like to eat are insects, spiders, small animals, nuts, leaves, and birds, and reptile eggs and bird eggs, snakes, mice, and wood rats. Wow, that's so interesting. I'm an omnivore too. I don't think I'm going to be eating lizards anytime soon, though. Can you please tell me something about what your house is like? I live in a large variety of places. I'll start with southern Oregon, south through California, southern Nevada, Utah, Colorado, Texas, Arizona, New Mexico, Oklahoma, eastern Kansas, Baja, and southern Mexico. I live in the forest, rocky plateaus, deserts, and in rock crevices, hollowed out logs, and I might even live underneath a huge tree. Okay, Mr. Ringtail Cat, I have one more question for you. Is there any special thing that you're able to do? Well, there's a few things special about me. I'm able to ricochet off walls and climb trees, rock cliffs, and cacti. I can rotate my hind legs 180 degrees. That gives me a good grip and allows me to go headfirst down a tree. I also have good eyesight and hearing, so I'm able to keep myself alive since I'm nocturnal. Wow, that was great, Mr. Ringtail Cat. Thanks for all the things that you taught me. My pleasure. I love talking to you and telling stuff about myself and my family.